54 divided by 3 using partial quotient. First, put your 3 on the outside, your 54 on the inside, and look at your multiplication facts for 3's. We're also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start our first step, divide. We're going to start in our tens place because that's our biggest place value. What's the closest you can get to 5 without going over? Yep, that skipped counting one time. But that 1 is in the tens place, so it's worth 10. Next, let's go on to our next step of multiply. 10 times 3 is 30. Then let's subtract. 54 minus 30 is 24. We're going to repeat to our next place value. Our next place value is the ones place. So, how many times can we divide 24 into 3? Well, I see that we have 24 right here. That was skip counting 8 times. So when we did 8 times 3, that gave us 24. Then we'll subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. Then we would repeat, but do we have any place values to repeat with? No, because we already used the ones place. So we get to go on to check. Is 0 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. And since we have 0, we don't even need to write that as a remainder. So let's just come right on up here and let's see what our answer would be. It would be 18.